in this courtroom? How does the administration do that without your knowledge? How the prosecutor, the prosecutors, how come they do that or know about that and they are silent about that, or in fact they order it, where in fact the law says that they here, those gentlemen, should defend me as much as they defend the plaintiffs. Your Honor, excuse me, when I will explain to you, when bad words, inappropriate words, then we should, by every court, every country should see it's inappropriate to broadcast those words that are insulting, profane to the audience. I would like to clarify to everybody. Out of this, the prosecution can interfere and so this behavior in a courtroom should not be shown or broadcast to the audience. That's what I like to elaborate. Thank you. I thank the prosecutor for his explanation. However, but I don't agree with him. The disagreement shouldn't make, we can still be friends but disagree. If he wants to, yes, the court will investigate that. Thank you very much. But however, we are here in at least in this courtroom, as we hear, we are in a legal environment and a democratic environment. That's what it is. Yes. Okay, so democracy, now I understand it, and the one who believes in it means that everybody behaves or acts the way they like, and I will leave the others, let the others judge you. Your Honor, let me. Please be patient with me. If there is a profanity that comes out of someone against a witness or someone, let the people know, so that they know, so that they can say whether he was right in saying that or not, or that's his level, and so that they know each person's level. Let's uncover him to the people. Why are we hiding them? Tell it as it is before your father, so your father knows who you are, whether you are, if there is a violation of any values, then your father will tell you no, he will admonish you and tell you no, this is not right, and this is democracy. I don't agree. I don't explain this in legal or democratic terms. This is, I think what's happening is abuse of power to mask some facts, so that those, so if I am saying something, let me be in the spotlight, let people judge me. I'm an element in the society. Why do you help me cheat people? The interest of the people, and maybe my own interest, because when my interests are served, it is an interest to the society. It is as soon as possible, let me be known to the people as exactly who I am and what I say. That's what I mean. Your Honor, the other thing, an extension to this issue, to this topic, when I make a mistake, I'm talking about myself so that nobody gets mad at me. When I personally make a mistake, why would I ask you to cover my mistakes? By God, if I'm fair, if you cover my mistakes, I will not take it as a positive thing by you, and the society will not consider this a positive thing from you. I say something that is fabrication, that's lying, Why would I ask you to say diplomatically that this is, I think it is incorrect? No. To educate me, the direct school made America and Europe and Japan ahead of us by 200 years or more, because they don't hide the truth. They don't humor the truth. If you make a mistake, when they see you throw a cigarette butt on the street, then your honor, if you allow me, this is my personal view. That is not. We saw that there is slander to the prosecutor, and the prosecutor asked the court many times that the defendant or the lawyer goes right in the topic. So I'd like to ask you if I will resign from my position, and please allow me to leave the court. Your Honor, you stay your prosecutor. Stay within the topic. We heard. Stay within Your Honor. The witness has right. Your Honor, you are here, and the people around you and the prosecutors. Stay within the topic. What is your question? We give you. I'm in the topic, Your Honor. Your Honor, don't suppress me. Because I went through this experience. Your Honor, I'll tell you this. I have in the investigation, Your Honor, they asked me a question, needs an hour, they wanted a year or no, and they will beat me if and with my hands. This is my bruises. Your Honor, there's no objection to give me time. May God have mercy on your parents, so that I can convince you with my talk. I cannot convince you or others who are watching, and the prosecutor, if you, yes, it's in the case. Yes, Your Honor. You are going out of the topic. No, Your Honor, this is part of my rights. You're using the time of the court. Your Honor, my talk, be confident, is strengthening the court and will give it credibility. And people will say this is a credible and fair court when you allow me to talk, to explain to you the case. When I lie, why do I want you to, you're saying inaccurate, incorrect, and no, be direct. I understood. And yes, Your Honor, no. I'm talking about myself. By God, I have children, and my children need me now, especially after God took their mother. But for the truth and for my dignity, I don't mind if you now issue a sentence for executing me. I have no problem with that. I tell you, if after this minute the microphone for any of us is to be edited out, I personally will never come here, even if they beat me up, if they break me. This is not justice, this is not democracy. We need justice, and we need democracy to be applied everywhere in the country, especially here. This represents judicial, this is democracy. This is a historical event. Why do they get sad? Why would you get angry if you say something if you lie and you're told you're a liar? Your Honor, why